Today, I'm taking you on a thrilling woodcutting journey, where every cut is an unpredictable challenge. Buckle up, because this adventure will keep you on the edge of your seat. Wow, there's nothing more thrilling than removing a stump by hand with a truck. Just securely tie the rope around the stump, hook it to the truck's rear, and hit the gas. With hundreds of horsepower, the truck effortlessly pulls the stump out of the ground in seconds, full of excitement.
You got it!
Compact, yet powerful, the Stump Humper is a self-propelled stump grinder powered by a 27 HP Kohler EFI engine. With its sleek design, it easily navigates tight spaces, making it ideal for gardens, residential areas, and tasks that require high maneuverability. The scene opens with a dramatic moment as the skilled lumberjack grips the chainsaw, making powerful cuts into the massive tree trunk. The chainsaw's blade screeches through the bark, each forceful stroke causing the tree to tilt. Within seconds, the giant tree crashes to the ground, shaking the entire forest. Powerful and precise, the John Deere H414 harvester head, mounted on a John Deere harvester, uses a high-powered engine to cut wood efficiently with every stroke. With superior cutting force and the ability to handle large-diameter tree trunks, this equipment is ideal for professional timber harvesting.
No!
Witnessing each powerful cut, the Cat excavator with a specialized cutting head and hundreds of horsepower effortlessly brings down a large pine tree in just seconds. The flexible hydraulic arm combined with the sharp cutting blade creates a stunning display of strength and precision. The Bandit Hole tree chipper truly exceeds expectations, with an engine delivering up to 1,200 horsepower, effortlessly handling large trees in an instant. Its high-speed chipping system and automatic conveyor maximize efficiency, making it perfect for large-scale timber harvesting and processing projects. Like a monster machine on the job site, the Morbark 1100 tub grinder is equipped with a 24-hammer rotor, a 600 horsepower cat engine, and a 318 clutch. This power enables the machine to quickly and efficiently process large wood and green waste, performing flawlessly even in the harshest conditions. If you're as captivated by this ultimate machine as we are, don't forget to hit like or leave a comment to share your thoughts. Next up, we have the massive grinder. Its powerful engine allows it to process tree trunks with a diameter of up to 60 centimeters. Despite handling large quantities and weights, the machine operates swiftly, converting timber into chips and biomass with exceptional productivity and efficiency. With its outstanding power, the Cinnabogan machine effortlessly loads wood into the cargo hold. The powerful engine lifts and moves heavy logs, while its sturdy design and flexible crane ensure high efficiency, saving both time and effort. Watch this powerful wood cutting machine in action, equipped with a high horsepower engine, effortlessly cutting through trees and feeding them into the cutter. Its incredible power not only ensures fast wood cutting, but also guarantees superior performance, saving both time and effort. Oh, you can't miss this powerhouse machine. With its powerful engine, it harvests entire trees quickly and efficiently. Its exceptional design allows for full tree harvesting from root to tip, saving time and effort on every logging project. You'll be amazed by the power of this machine. A 13.5-foot spruce tree with a diameter of 4.3 feet is loaded onto it. Surpassing the limits of the crane and jaws, which only open up to 4.6 feet, the machine, with its powerful engine, manages to transport it after a while. You can't help but be impressed by the power of Croco, the exceptional wood splitter. Equipped with a high horsepower engine, it effortlessly handles tough, thick logs. With its sturdy design and outstanding power, the machine delivers high efficiency, saving both time and effort. It's truly thrilling to witness the Atom Original Wood Splitter, a powerful 660,000-pound machine, operating with all hydraulic drills. With its high-powered engine, the machine effortlessly cuts and processes large timber, delivering exceptional efficiency and rapid speed. Nothing can beat the power of the Shin System's PowerPack mower. With its high-horsepower engine, the machine easily clears tree limbs, stumps, and unusable wood from the path. Its efficient design ensures quick operation, keeping the path clear and unobstructed at all times. Switching to the Kubota X080 with the AFE disc grinder attachment for excavators, you'll feel its outstanding power. With its high-horsepower engine, this advanced forestry equipment effortlessly handles wood and tough materials, delivering high efficiency and saving time. The custom-made wood processor, equipped with a powerful Detroit diesel engine and a sharp 35-inch saw blade, easily cuts and processes tough firewood. With its high-horsepower engine, the machine operates efficiently, saving time and effort, making it ideal for forestry work. Nothing can stand in the way of the extreme 80 T-dot pressure wood splitter's power. With its powerful engine, the machine easily handles massive stumps. Its special design and superior pressure force allow it to quickly split wood into smaller pieces, saving both time and effort. With exceptional capability, the custom-made wood splitter, equipped with a powerful engine, allows you to cut firewood into various sizes. Its flexible design makes adjusting the cutting width and length easy, providing maximum efficiency while saving time and effort. Impressive at first glance, the DZT8000 TKT track-mounted tub grinder features a high-powered engine, effortlessly processing green waste from Myrtle Beach. With its flexible track system and ultra-durable grinding drum, the machine operates efficiently, making it ideal for large-scale urban projects.